Insider reveals truth about price of silver. When I show you these numbers in this video, you're going to be done. This is the last video you're going to watch for 2024. All the time you've spent on YouTube watching videos about silver stacking, looking at data, trying to figure out, is it worth it? Where's the spot price going? This is it. You're done. This is all you need. This is an interview of CEO and president of the Silver Institute. He's right there. There he is. Everybody's favorite evil villain. Check this out. This is from ABC Bullion. And I'm just going to move over to this section. It says, check out this question and the answer. This is great. It says, like all assets, silver experiences bull and bear markets. Given your involvement, here you go, I'll highlight it for you so you can see. Given your involvement in the silver industry over many years, what has typically been the perfect storm, in the perfect storm environment that silver thrives in and performs best? What's that perfect storm for silver price? And his answer right here says, we have seen precious metals take off in times of economic shock. Now, you're going to feel like you're speaking to and hearing from a true silver stacker, because this sounds like us. We've seen precious metals take off in times of economic shock, and in the most recent case, during the global pandemic. Currently, and just taking the U.S., we have massive government and consumer debt. Absolutely. That's one of our great motivators to stack silver. And our government continues to print money. Certainly. We're also facing a commercial real estate bomb, primarily due to the work from home movement started during the pandemic. And that really is right now, in this month where we're at, that is a pressing issue for the price of silver, because people have their nest egg that they've been wanting to put into real estate, but the mortgage rates are still too high. So many people are putting that nest egg while they wait. They're putting it into precious metals, and that's impacting our price of silver. This says interest rate cuts also draw investors' interest as they turn to precious metals as a vital portfolio asset. The U.S. Fed could cut rates later this year, with additional cuts in 2025. So already, these answers make us feel like we're talking to Silver Stacker. If you're enjoying this video, please hit like, please hit subscribe. It really helps a lot to get this information out there. Hit that like button. Now, check this out. This chart, let me pull it up for you. Here, look at this. This is all you need. I want to print this out as a poster and just keep it above my bed to keep me centered and focused, because this is all you need to know. This says, let me see the heading. It says, a market leader in precious metal bull markets, silver has historically outperformed gold in precious metals bull markets. This can be seen in this graph, which shows the 5 largest precious metal bull markets. This is the 5 largest precious metal bull markets we've experienced in the last 5 decades. It says the rise in gold price in each of these bull markets. Check this out. It starts back here. Is that going to highlight? Great. We're looking at 73 to 79, and look at the difference from silver and gold. 82 to 83. Again, check out that difference. May of 03 to February 07. Look at this here. Each bull market, and I'm really appreciating this, because the last time I brought up this issue in a recent video, I got yelled at in the comments telling me I don't know what I'm talking about. So I hope you really look at this chart, because this is what silver stackers need to focus on. And I bring myself into this. I've been skeptical lately. And look at the average. Look at the average, just from how they create this, right? Silver is above 300%. In silver outperforming gold. I mean, this is all we need to know. And this is really helpful today, right now, this week, the past 2 weeks, the past 3 months. This is helpful because gold has been so expensive. It's so out of reach. It's out of reach for me. I know it's out of reach for you. So it makes us second guess ourselves. And now we see silver feeling all this pressure and responding to that pressure by going down to $29, getting us out of the $30 range. So we all start to feel discouraged. But this chart, this is it. I want to print this out. I want this enlarged, and I want it on my wall so I could just look back at it, because this is telling. This really shows what we need to see. There's other great charts on this. Again, this is on abcbullion.com. I really suggest you check it out. It really keeps a great perspective. This says average annual change up here. Average annual change in years inflation has been 3% or higher. So inflation is shows a 5% change. Gold shows 14%, and look at silver outperforming. So again, as silver stackers, this is the data that really helps us, as gold is so expensive and so out of reach. Please hit like, hit subscribe, help get